B&D, coming at you three. We about to blow. Don't go. Came all the way to best to peak. I was VP. Falling on my body.
Guys, it's really busy. So, welcome to my YouTube channel. So, now we'll have a reaction for The Boy Next Door. Knock, 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 knock. Sige, yes. I'm so excited because I've been waiting this. And I miss Boy Next Door. Na-miss ko kasi guys. I also attended Boy Next Door concert. Nag-post ako ng vlog dito sa YouTube ko. And then, na-miss ko sila. Grabe. I miss them so much. So, before we start, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be updated by every upload. So comment down below who's your bias and my bias is Huwanak. Huwanak ever since. Yeah. Grabe din ang mga, grabe ang mga kanta ngayon. Grabe. Song of the Year. Namiss ko yung ng Boy Next Door. Grabe. Atesan. Jay yun? Sino yun? Hindi ko nakita. Atesan pa din. Ay, oo nga si Jay. Guys, comment down below your bias, guys. Boy Next Door. Bonedo. I love Songho and Lihan, guys. Grabe. And also Riwo. Riwo is so cute. Ang ganda na yung sabi. Knock, knock, knock. The end. The end. Una. Wait, parang familiar yung tono niya. Parang familiar. Na 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 na. Oh my God. Grabe. Oh my God. Really? Wait lang, wala pa akong napipilang thumbnail dito, guys. Grabe. Ang ganda. Favorite ko tong part na to. Alam mo, wala pa tayong napipiling thumbnail dito, guys. Ano sa akin? Diba? Ay, patapos na siya. God, so that's our video. So, guys, love you all.